friends, in this video I'm going to be putting the purple shampoo to the test. So my hair is about a lightish brownish color. I dyed it red, or the exact color is Chroma Sangria. I bought the hair dye at Sally's Beauty Supply. So I decided to get rid of the red hair, and then when I got rid of it, I had a little bit of orangey tones left. So I wanted to put this purple shampoo to the test since it says it cleanses every strand of your hair. It dispenses purple pigment that helps return your hair color to a cooler tone. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be applying the purple shampoo all over my hair, not leaving any strand. I'm going to be leaving this for about 20 minutes. So once I left it for about 20 minutes, I washed my hair, I hopped into the shower, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys the results at the end. So stay tuned. Keep on watching this video to see if this purple shampoo actually works. Hey friends, so I left the shampoo on for about 20 minutes, then I went and washed my hair. And this is what my hair looks like right when I got out of the shower. My hair is still a bit wet. I'm going to show you some more results later on during the day once my hair has dried. I didn't see any immediate results as of right now or as of when my hair was dry. Maybe you guys will have a better eye than I do. Like I can't find any difference in my hair. I don't see that the orangeness has been removed or taken off. But I do want to say that this shampoo probably works best if you use it consistent. Like if you're consistent and use it for several days. The shampoo smells good, so I can't say anything about that. I don't know, guys. Please let me know in the comments below if this shampoo has worked for you guys. Let me know if you're able to tell a difference in the before and after shots that I shared with you. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.